everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna look at this new surprise video, which is a surprise visit from none other than Thala Ajit on the sets of Marakkar, starring the one and only Lalita and complete actor Mohanlal. Now, this is a video that came out of nowhere. It's going to be a huge surprise and fun to watch what happened. But before we dive into it, Marakkar is having a tussle between the producers and the theater owners. They are not able to come to a perfect agreement to make the financial aspects of this film work out with all the restrictions continuing to be in place for COVID. So unfortunately, it seems like more than likely this movie might directly release on Prime. This is very disheartening because we all were waiting to see how this shatters box office records. It was a historic movie event that people were waiting for. People would have just gone crazy to watch this movie, but that is also coming at the cost of the fact that COVID exists. COVID might continue, Delta variant might continue, so it's a very complicated situation. And at the same time, as much as I want this to release, we have to, I guess, empathize with the producers, filmmakers, and ourselves, because we want to watch the movie at the end of the day. So probably time to buy some great speakers, home theater system, bigger TV, bigger screen, and get ready for such movies to continue to release at home. But let's see if there's a ray of hope and this movie ends up in the theaters at some point. It will be absolutely an experience to not miss out on. Let's go and check out this surprise visit now, which is also an experience to not miss out on. So here we go with this visit video. This music is feels. Look at those beautiful sets. Anna, Action King Arjun, Innocent Mohanlal, Priyadarshan, Thala, Kicha. Oh. Legends. That was awesome. This music is so cool. Every time I can't stop listening to it. That was a fantastic surprise video. It gives us and adds on to the excitement of watching this film. I really hope they just gave him a costume on the spot and said, "Sir, one scene, one random scene. We may or may not keep it in the movie, but just one scene." Um, it would have been pretty incredible if he was part of the movie, even for a minute. But lovely humble personality. As we all know, he continued to be as humble as he is on the sets. Came in with, you could see, came in with all that respect for the filmmakers, for the set, respecting their space and time. Didn't intend to just hang out there and waste everybody's time and become the center of attraction. Didn't come in with any ego and high-headedness. Came in bowing down to everybody, respecting everybody, saying hello in the most cordial manner. And there was a scene there with a late Sir Nedumudi Venu, and he was telling him, if you notice, to have a seat and don't continue to stand, because he's a senior artist. And so those kind of things are what makes Thala so absolutely one of the best and most genuine and generous human beings, and kind and inspirational human beings out there. But it was wonderful to see him visit, and also to see glimpses of Marakkar. There was Kicha in there, which for some reason is not registering in my head that I saw him in the trailer. Maybe I'm getting confused, but this is the first time I've seen him as part of this movie, full on in a costume. I don't know why I'm missing out. Leave your comments below if you remember Kicha in the original trailer. But he's there, and as we all know, the other artists are there as well. Sunil Shetty, Action King Arjun, and everyone else that was on the set here on this particular day. grand sets, big elephants up there, crazy movie this is going to be, which is why I wish it was going to release in the theaters. But unfortunately, we might have to watch this from the comfort of our own homes, which doesn't really sound that bad. So looking forward to what happens to this movie, the fate of it, and to get entertained for this national award winning film finally after a long wait. I hope you like this reaction video. Stay tuned for much more. Also watch my trailer reaction to Kurup if you missed it, and KKK, Nivin Pauly's new film if you missed those recently, and Tovino Thomas's Minal Murli. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep watching for much more, and take care.